Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at your place. So, in the previous video, we have studied about the last chapter, that is how big and how heavy. Now, today we'll first quickly recap what we have studied and then we will start a new topic. So, let's begin. In the previous video, we studied about the volume. We studied that volume is the quantity of three-dimensional space enclosed by a closed surface. Now, in this we studied that what is three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional means a figure having length, breadth and height. Okay, so that figure is known as three-dimensional figure. And two-dimensional figure, a figure in which only a surface is visible, that is length and breadth of the figure are known. That figure is known as the two-dimensional figure. In that we studied about cube. In cube we studied about the edges of cube, vertex of cube and faces of cube. We studied that in a cube 12 edges are there and we have counted that also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11 here and 12 at the back. This 12 edges are there. Now vertices, how many vertices are there in the cube? Let's count. Now I'll mark them with red color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many vertex are there? 8 vertex are there. Vertex mean the corners. So how many corners are there in the cube? 8 corners are there in the cube. What about the faces? 1 face, 2 face, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in the cube, how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. And same is the case of cuboid. In the cuboid also edges are 12, vertex is 12, face is 6. And volume of cube is side multiplied by side multiplied by side, means side cube. In the case of volume, we use the unit as cubic centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Both are same. You can write centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Both the things are correct. But in the case of area, we just write square, not cube. Now the cuboid, in the case of cuboid, faces, edges and vertices are same. Now the volume of the cuboid is length multiplied by the breadth multiplied by the height. This all we have studied in the previous video. Now after this, we did some questions from workbook, that is chapter 14 workbook. You can open your workbook on page chapter 14. These questions we have discussed. Question number 1 and question number 2, that is fill in the blanks, we have already discussed. Now question number 3 also we have done, and this C, D, E and F part was your homework. Hope you have done this. Now question number 5, first part was done and second, third, fourth, fifth was your homework. Hope all of you have done this, because in these questions length, breadth and height is given, so it's very easy to find the volume by using the formula length multiplied by breadth multiplied by the height. So means you have to multiply all the sides and you will get the volume of the cuboid. Hope you all have done. If you haven't done, you can check it from here. Now today we'll start a new thing, that is packing cubes. Means how many cubes can be packed inside these boxes you have to find. Okay, now for this what should be known? For this you should know the volume of these boxes and the volume of the cubes that to be fitted inside the box. So let's find out what is given. Now children, as you can see here, it is given Ganesh and Dinga want to pack 4000 centimeter cube in boxes. These are to be sent to a school. there are 3 different boxes available for packing. How many things they have to be packed? 4,000. Okay, now how many boxes are given? 1, 2 and 3 boxes are given and they have to pack. Now it is asked that will these boxes will be sufficient or they need more boxes. So in this case what you will do, first of all you will find the area of all these 3 boxes. So volume of all the 3 boxes, so volume of first one will be, as you can see, it is in the shape of cuboid. So what is the formula for volume of cuboid? It is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by the height. So what is the length given? As you can see from the figure, it is 20. So in place of L, I'll write 20. In case of B, as you can see, what is the breadth given? It is 10. And what is the height given? It is 6. So if I'll multiply all these things, what I'll get? I'm writing the answers with green color. So here you can see 20 multiplied by 10, that is 200, and 200 multiplied by 6, it is 1200. So our answer is 1200, means in the first one 1200 is the volume of the first box. Now let's see the second box. Similarly you will find the volume of second box, and similarly you will find the volume of third box. You just pause the videos and find the answers. Hope you all have find the answer. So what's your answer? Just check from here. Now in the first one, how many cubes can come? It was 1200. Now in the second one, it is 121 and 0, it is 1210. Now in the third one, let's see, it is 135 and 0, 1350. So just add them. What will get? 2010 and 1350. What's the answer? 0, 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 1, 2, 3. 3760. So means in these 3 boxes 3760 cubes will come, but we have to fit how many? 4000. So so it cannot come. More boxes are required. Okay, so now in this one you have to flip the page, and in this one you can see you have to write the volume of all the boxes. You have to write the volume in these boxes. Okay, now this one, track to Gangotri. Here you can see the students of class 12th are going on a track to Gangotri. They have to pack their bags for 6 days and keep them light. They also have to take things that do not take too much space. So they will look for things that have both less volume and less weight. After all, they will carry the less weight things. They even try the onions and tomatoes to make them light. 1 kg of tomatoes becomes 100 gram when the water inside them dries up. So here you can see the list of things they are going to carry while going on track. Rice 100 gram, flour 100 gram, pulses 1/3 of the weight of the rice and the flour, oil 50 gram. Here you can see the list of all the items, that oil is there, sugar is there, tea is there, salt is there, dried onions, dried tomatoes are there. So from here you have to see the list and you have to answer some question. As here you have to see the questions and write the answers in your notebook. It is first one, for 6 days each person will need dash. So rice and flour, you have to tell that how much rice will be required for 6 days. So from here you can see for 1 day how much rice is required. 100 gram of rice is required for 1 day. So for 6 days how much amount of this rice will be required? So you will multiply 100 by 6, you will get 600 grams. So 600 grams of rice and flour will be required. So sorry, rice and flour together are 200. So we will multiply 200 by 6, that will be 1200. That is 1 kg and 200 grams will be required for 6 days. Similarly, you have to find for pulses, dried onions and all. This all you have to do yourself in your notebooks, maths notebooks. Hope you will be able to do so. And if you have any problem, you can watch the video again. And that's all for today. Take care. Sai Ram.